All right, guys, doing another box of 2012 Signature Series Baseball. So there's 6 cards, per pack, 3 hits. And some big hits you can find in here like Ted Williams. We've pulled Yogi Berra autos out of here, Clayton Kershaw autos. So some huge names. Let's see what we can get. So Ben E has got the Blue Jays. Brian G with the Orioles, Cubs, Reds, Astros, and Marlins. Chris R with the Tigers, Angels, Yankees, and Mariners. Edgar, you've got the Dodgers, the Diamondbacks, the White Sox, the Phillies, and the Rangers. Jeremy B with the Indians, Royals, Pirates, and Nationals. Michelle's got the Braves. Scott with the Rays. And then Brian B, you've got the Rockies, Brewers, Twins, A's, Padres, and the Cardinals. Yeah, man, I'll let you know. Hey, fair wearing. I saw your message. Past, present, future will be coming up next. Yanks were at 59 on what? All right, so 3 hits. Looks like we got a redemption on the back. First up, we got Justin Upton for Arizona, base card. And we've got a Evan Longoria for Tampa Bay. And then a Giovanni Gallardo for Milwaukee. Oh, yeah. Yeah, John B grabbed those, man. He was ready to roll on that. All right, MLB Player's Choice patch auto for Tyler Moore going to the Nationals. That's the first hit. Number to 299. Yeah, or whoever got him. Well, they're going to find out in just a minute. All right, next up we got a Willen Rosario for Colorado. Game Ball rated rookie auto. Also to 299. They're laughing until we pull the Babe Ruth out of there, man. And then you'll be laughing. All right, and then we got a redemption. Oh, my goodness. Come on now. Show that name, man. Gosh. Stupid focus. Should have covered this up from the get-go. Oh, my gosh. You suck. All right, here we go. Logo signatures. Come on, man. Miggy Cabrera. The only thing that'll suck on this is if they won't send the redemption. So I feel like I've got a couple of them that have been floating out there for a while. But that is going to be a Detroit Tigers pickup, which will be Chris R. Picked him up for $150, man. That's amazing. Amazing. Hopefully they'll redeem that or send you something. So we will get those cards mailed out tomorrow. Nice way to do past, present, or signature series, and we'll do another box coming up here in a couple weeks.